Need plumbing help fast? 911 Sewer and Drain of East Rutherford has got your back. Serving East Rutherford, Woodridge, Rutherford, Lyndhurst, and Nutley, they're the pros in emergency plumbing with 24/7 availability. Leaky pipes, water heater repair, they handle it all. You're not just getting any plumber, you're getting experts who can fix garbage disposals and restore water damage in no time. Have a plumbing issue that can't wait? Stop worrying and get them over now. Call 911 Sewer and Drain of East Rutherford for quick, reliable service.